Welcome back to Camography. If you're into photography, videography, or just love playing with lighting setups, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into an incredible software that's about to change the way you plan and execute your shoots, Set.a.Light 3D. Now, if you've ever struggled with setting up your lighting before a shoot, spent hours testing different setups, or wished you had a way to visualize lighting before even touching your gear, this software is your new best friend. So, what exactly is Set.a.Light 3D? It's a virtual lighting simulator that allows photographers and videographers to build, plan, and test their lighting setups before they ever step into the studio. Imagine being able to experiment with different light positions, modifiers, and subjects in a fully interactive 3D environment without wasting time or resources. Let's start with one of the coolest features, the 3D studio environment. Set.a.Light 3D gives you a fully customizable virtual space where you can place lights, backdrops, and even models. You can adjust the room size, walls, and textures to match your actual shooting location. Lighting is everything in photography, and Set.a.Light 3D has an extensive library of strobes, softboxes, beauty dishes, and even continuous lights to work with. Whether you shoot portraits, fashion, or commercial work, this software has the gear you need. Another amazing thing, the software mimics real-world light physics. That means shadows, reflections, and fall-off behave just as they would in an actual shoot. No more guessing. What you see in the software is what you get in real life. Need a model for your test shots? No problem. You can choose from a variety of virtual models, adjust their poses, expressions, and even their outfits. This helps you visualize composition and posing before working with real clients. Ever wondered how different focal lengths and apertures affect your scene? Set.a.Light 3D lets you simulate cameras, lenses, and even depth of field so you can test everything before shooting. Perfect for beginners and pros. Whether you're new to lighting or a pro planning a complex shoot, it works for everyone. Enhances creativity, test bold new ideas before trying them in the real world. Reduces stress on shoot day. Walk in with confidence, knowing exactly what works. Now, if you're thinking, okay, this sounds great, but what's the cost? Set.a.Light 3D offers different versions depending on your needs. It's a one-time purchase, meaning no monthly subscription, which is a big plus. So there you have it. If you're serious about improving your lighting game, Set.a.Light 3D is hands down one of the best investments you can make. Want to check it out? I've dropped a link in the description below. Also, let me know in the comments, what's your biggest lighting challenge? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on awesome content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.